What is design build and why is it important that you choose a design build contractor? Design build is important for you because it's gonna lay out everything that goes into your project. A lot of contractors walk into a home and they don't really know what it's gonna cost because you haven't gone through this process yet of selecting all the finishes. Design build is gonna get you an accurate cost, a visual of what your project's gonna look like, and is gonna set up your contractor for success, knowing all the ins and outs of your project. When you first call us here at KHB, we are gonna set up a design consultation. This is where your concierge and your designer come to your home and we start walking through the scope of work and your spaces. During this consult, we're gonna be doing space planning, and that is kind of the initial conception of what you want this place to look like and how you want it to function. Having a visual representation of your space as if it were completed before we ever start construction is so important due to the fact that you've never done this before. And your space, if you're doing a true transformation, is gonna look completely different than what it looks like now. For a previous client, they had an issue where their existing kitchen was really cramped and they love having parties, they love having gatherings in their kitchen, and it was the focal point of their older tract home from the 2000s. Well, we came in and they wanted a large island, and it was kind of tough to place. We couldn't really do it on paper in 2D drawings. That's where 3D renderings came in. Just like real life, and start mapping out, how is the actual person gonna walk through here? Will they have enough space? Are they gonna bump into someone? And we're able to get the perfect size island for this couple. On this project, as you can see, there was this huge wall separating the kitchen from the dining. With this wall, it was gonna be removed, but we didn't know how to functionally combine the dining and the kitchen, along with new flooring, new paint, and some other aspects of this renovation. In whole home remodels like this, where you're having new kitchen cabinets, you're having new floors throughout the home, new paint, it's very important to have a visualization of the full project in 3D so you can walk through each space. Now, removing that wall, as you can see in the new kitchen, really opened this project up. It's a gorgeous floor, everything coordinates really well, and that is all due to a proper design. Choosing your design build contractor is not an easy choice, but we are here to help, even to just consult. So please fill out the form below. We would love to talk to you about your project and let us bring your vision to life.